Although for most of the time we generally take gutters for granted, when they do go wrong, that's when everyone notices them. Years of collecting water and debris, plus an unrelenting cycle of dampness and dry, fluctuating temperatures and constant building movement inevitably take their toll, and eventually nothing is more certain. All gutters begin to leak. At one time when this happened, there were really only two alternatives: replacement or repair. Replacement was always expensive, and often when the gutters formed an integral part of the fabric of the building, it was either impractical, uneconomical, or virtually impossible. Repairs, on the other hand, usually meant patching up with a thick, gooey coating of a bitumen-based seal that had to be applied while the damaged gutter was perfectly dry, and had to be thoroughly cleaned, and when it wasn't going to rain until everything had gone off from set. Not very easy in the unpredictable British climate. But in the late 1980s, all that changed. HD Sharman Limited developed their now acclaimed rubberized Plygene gutter line system. This simple, economical remedy to cure leaking gutters is joint-free, quick, and easy to fit in virtually all weather conditions. And once installed, it produces guaranteed waterproof results. The even better news is that gutter line works for virtually any type of gutter, for any length, any width, and for any profile. All gutter line is manufactured in our own factory, using our own exclusively formulated and fully patented rubberized Plygene, which, if you have never handled it, is a supremely pliable yet ruggedly resilient material that you will find forms effortlessly to the shape of the gutter to produce a one-piece, waterproof, seamless lining. Gutter line's technical superiority and unique performance characteristics mean that once it is fitted, it will contend with the most extreme climatic changes, and is even able to tolerate severe structural movement without splitting or cracking. All gutter line is custom-made for each contract, and it's supplied on seamless rolls to ensure it provides the maximum waterproofing effectiveness. And with the minimum of mechanical fixing required, experienced contractors can fit even the longest, widest lengths within a very short space of time, in most weather conditions, without dismantling the roofing cladding, and with no need for extensive training or expensive, highly technical tools. All of which, both from a practical as well as from an economical point of view, is excellent news all round. The liner itself, however, is only one part of the gutter line package. As a complete solution, the gutter line system offers a fully comprehensive catalogue of components that enable you to approach every project with absolute confidence. Components include, amongst others, outlets, corners, stop ends, siphonic outlets, boundary joints, and, where required, hold-down straps to counter the strongest of winds on the most exposed of roofs. And if these gutter line off-the-shelf accessories don't, for whatever reason, fit the bill, then bespoke components can be produced to overcome most individual fitting problems, no matter how complex or how unusual those might be. Rubberized Plygene gutter line is now the preferred gutter lining system for hundreds of contractors, architects and specifiers, many of whom now actually recommend gutter line as part of their refurbishment and new build specifications. With its ever-increasing popularity, gutter line has been used to stop gutters leaking on just about every type of building you can imagine, from old Victorian mills to modern shopping malls, from warehouses to mansion houses, and from small office buildings to massive structures like St Pancras Station. Believe it or not, but gutters in excess of 200 metres long have been successfully lined with a single length of seamless, joint-free gutter line, while gutters which are even over 4 metres in width have posed no problem for the versatility of the gutter line system.